Hello everyone, so welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create a mailing service so which we can use to send OTPs for user verifications or forgot password and much more. We are gonna create a little send grid. We will be while creating this project, we will use solid design principles to create this project scalable and maintainable. So let's start our project. So for getting a better UI templates, we are gonna use React email. So see, these email templates are like production level, and for sending mails, we are gonna use Node Mailer, which is a package of Node.js to send mails using SMTP. So let's start our project. So I am using Google's IDX to create this project. You can also use Visual Studio Code, or you can use GitHub code spaces. So in this project we are going to use TypeScript for type checking. So this is a simple Express app. Okay, so this API is working. So let's first of all create a service for our mailer. So I'm gonna create a folder in source, name services. Mm, Small s would be better. Okay. So first we will create a file, mail service dot ts. Okay. So let's first install our node mailer package. Okay. So let's import node mailer. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's also install it types. Okay. Okay. This error should go. Yes. So first of all, let's Google's Gemini model is already started to give suggestions. So okay, let, so as in the start of the video, uh, we like decided to use solid principles. So uh, in solid principle, the first S stands for single responsibility. So if, like every function or a class should be only responsible for uh, one one thing. Like for example, if we have a logger class, it should be only responsible for logging, or if we have an email class, it should only be responsible for handling the emails. Internally, it may have further divided into subclasses which handle a single responsibility. uniquely. So uh, let's check NodeMailer documentation. We have installed NodeMailer. So next, so this is the like simple usage. We already exported this. We are using ES6. Later Babel will convert into this to support every browser. So here like we have uh, two things. First we need to create a transporter, then we can simply send mails using this transporter. So basically all SMTP protocol will be written and followed by this transporter. So let's first create a class. So class mail config transporter. So first we will let's keep it any. So for reference we can copy this. Create no. So transporter should have this type. So let's copy it and paste it here. SMTP. So can't find SMTP. Let's import it into import SMTP transport. Okay, now it's good. So this class uh, job is to create an this config file. In config we also have like host email. Let's also create one static variable for keeping the mail address. So mail address is gonna be string type. So almost all SMTPs we will have secure port. Uh, so it given in suggestion like 465. So let's keep it, and now let's write our constructor. So yeah, in constructor we can pass an object. So in this object what we need is a host, port number, is it secure or not, and email. Okay, here we take a mail address. So yeah, mail address and password. So we have error. What is it? Constructor implementation is missing. Okay. So yeah, now we are good. So this is one huge benefit of using Google IDX. It gives like good suggestions like this. Or also in VS Code we have Codium, which gives similar suggestions. So cancel. Okay. But for sending images, I guess there is one also an option. let's check it. This is only like plain messages. For sending files and images, we would need uh, see. So for sending messages and PDFs attached, we would need an additional parameter here. So like we can go to it. Uh, Go to its types, create transport options. Where is it? Create transport. SMTP transport. No, SMTP options. Service socket get service. So actually there is one. Also we have like options to attach. Okay, we will look into it later. So once we create an object from this class, object will have mail address, a transporter, which we will create here. So let's log mail service for mail address is created. Okay. So this was the first part. So this is used to create mail config. Yeah, we also need to export it. Okay. Yeah, but not default. We also have another things to export. Let's export this for now. Okay. So this code looks good. We can use like another file to create this part of the code, or we can like create here only one method, like another class for sending mails. We can do however we like, but as we are following solid principles, so it would be For now we will have only small code. In future we will refactor into another small chunks of files. So let's create this part. Okay. So class mail service, we will export this. So let's create. So let's write export mail service. Private mail config. Yeah. So those people who are coming from, okay, so those people who are coming from Java will have recognized that we will do an dependency injection here. So while writing solid code in OOPS, we will often prefer having dependency injection. So we will see its uses in future. So for now, uh, create this constructor. Okay, this suggestion constructor main config. Yeah. So in this class, we will pass this whole object. This config will be passed in here constructor, and it will be attached to this mail config variable. Okay, let's remove it. Why are you throwing an error? Okay, it has any type mail config. Okay, so now let's write our code for sending mails. So as it will take time to send a mail, first we will use async send mail. So while sending mails, we need some things. Uh, so here we have from to. Let's take those objects. Yeah, mail options. Mm, okay, what are the? Oh, so here we have that attachments to include images or files. So these are all the things which we need for sending mails, but all are these optional. You can see question mark here. So for now we will take let's delete this for now. What we need, mainly we need who we need to send the mail, right? So mail to who the person we are sending. Second would be mail subject, and HTML text, the body of the mail, and if we have any attachments, yeah, attachments. So it's showing error, mail to does not exist. Yeah, okay, it is okay. Also for text we have HTML. Okay, now errors have gone. So wow, sometimes this may be wrong. So before uh, proceeding, we have to check it. In options. Okay, this looks good. Subject attachments. Yeah. info, yeah, this mail transferred good, and but while sending mail, we can also get error. So we need to have a try and catch, or we can like include a promise here. Mm, so let's include a promise here instead of this. So let's comment it out. Return promise. Oops. Promise. Okay, promise. So we will have resolve and reject. Okay. So now we will send mail from transporter using the mail options given by us. Okay, what is okay? I guess they have uh, internally a check for errors. So, address. Okay, let's not use this code for now. We will write our own. Okay, mail options. Uh, um, Unreachable code detected. Why are you unreachable? Mhm. See. Okay. I forgot to put comma here. Okay, now everything is good. But we still have an error. Okay, let's see afterward. First, we will try to send this mail. If there is any error, we will reject this promise. If sent successfully, we will resolve this and give the information. But for our sake, like to know what is happening, we can console an error here with message error while sending mail. Okay, uh, and we will inject this error here. Okay, let's put semicolon. Also here, let's log. Actually, I use log. So mail sent. Let's write some big message like this mail config, mail address, email address, xyz at the rate of mail.com, email service, email sent to uh, mail to. Okay, let's remove this. And we will resolve using info. Okay, still we have error. What is declare or statement expected? Okay. Uh, did we use any extra? Okay. Let's check this semicolons. This is if up to here everything is fine. Okay. No. Uh, okay. First we have resolved. After that, okay. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now it looks good. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay. Okay. So our mail service has been done. So if you want to send mails, like here we can have mail config. So let's first create a mail config. Mm, mm. So see give what port should we give. So for now, let's go with suggestions. Okay, first we have to create a config like this, and then we need to create a mail service. Const mail service is equal. Now we have to inject this mail config here. Yes. So now our mail service is ready. So without sending an email, first let's run this. Mm. Mail service is created. Okay, it doesn't have mail name. Okay, it is taking until let's give it some name. xyz.com. Oh, so mail service for xyz z at the rate of mail.com is created. So good. So here we have learned first S of solid principles, which is single responsibility. So even though I can write this constructor everything here, I chosen a different class to write this because this class responsibility is to create a mail config object, and this class is to send mails. So one. So first S is done. In solid, first S has been done. In next video, we will be focused on O, which is open close principle. So thank you for watching. Bye.